Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Desi Explorer. So it's been a long time that I've presented any videos on my channel. So I thought let's make a video and let's ride somewhere. Because for me, the best way of making a video is to ride somewhere. Because I love riding. To ride somewhere that means a lot for me because I can experience, I can explore, I can feel the video, I can ride my motorcycle and feel my motorcycle, and altogether I can even make a video. So I thought let's ride somewhere. So the thinking about riding, something came inside me, that's the adrenaline rush. And hearing the word adrenaline rush, you guys can guess it right, that which place I'm going today. Yeah, I'm going to the hills of Meghalaya, onto the roads of Meghalaya to feel the curves, the scenic beauty of that place. Yeah, I'm not traveling alone today. One of my friend is traveling with me, that is Samajit Dev. So yes, we will be traveling in a single motorcycle. He is my pillion today. I will be traveling on my motorcycle. The destination for today is up to Nompo, or it might extend up to Borabani. Not more than that till now. Our planning. So while returning, or if we want to expand our ride area, so we might do that. I will get you updated. I will keep you updated once we change our planning. Anything alteration happens to our planning, I will keep you updated. So like now it's too late, it's around 12 and I'm shooting with my phone, that is why I cannot show you the time. It's around 12 and it's not morning, it's peak afternoon, and it's so hot. I'm just like left for wearing my jacket, nothing else, and we should be leaving now. Let's go without wasting any time, and we'll be rocking in the roads today. Let's go.
अभी हो रहा है दोपहर के 12, एक्चुअली 12:30, और हाफ एन आवर लेट हो गया मेरा. अभी पीछे बैठा है राहुल एंड हम राइडिंग में मोटरसाइकिल. आज मैंने थोड़ा अपना माइक का अलग सेटअप किया. आई मीन कि हैव चेंज द प्लेस टू द पोजीशन ऑफ द माइक. सो होपिंग कि आई गेट अ बेटर साउंड, बेटर ऑडियो क्वालिटी. हो तो अच्छा, नहीं हो तो और अच्छा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. एडिटिंग में मिला देंगे. Worshipping has been completed successfully. पहुंच चुके हैं, निकल रहे हैं गणेश मंदिर से. लॉर्ड गणेशा का ब्लेसिंग्स हम लोगों ने ले लिया है, so that our ride is safe and sound, so that we can reach home safe and sound. अभी थोड़ा रिफ्यूलिंग का बारी है, रिफ्यूलिंग करवाएंगे एंड धड़ाधड़ चलेंगे. रिलेट टू मी व्हाट आई मीन बाय धड़ाधड़. सारे को
can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and then stabbing my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. Was shot to the head and I'm gone, I'm losing control, but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more and I've been in in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get away, but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you, but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool, but they not new. Whoa, look how I go. Gon' be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gon' lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gon' lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, no I'm never gon' choke. And I'm looking back down on the people below. I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat. I know I will, everything I'm working on. Every night another song, and be quiet all along. They will notice when I'm gone.
कोई रखो So guys, now looking from this place, got to see 3 super bikes, one Daytona 675R, one daytona side of Daytona 675, and the last there is Prime Street Triple RS. So it was good coming here, good decision coming here. अभी घर को जाएंगे. रो We are going to leave this place now. It was great coming here. Seriously great, because I got to see so many super bikes, at least 3, and 3 is not a less number.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck.
So guys, लूंगफू वुडलैंड हवा में अनकम्फर्टेबल टू शूट वीडियोज़, क्योंकि पहला बार मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ कि इतना ज़्यादा बाइकर्स सामने और सुपर बाइक्स में, सो आई वॉज लिटिल अनकम्फर्टेबल. इसलिए मैंने ज़्यादा शूट नहीं किया, सिर्फ सिनेमेटिक्स उठाया, और मैं इतना श्योर कर सकता हूँ आप लोगों को सिनेमेटिक अच्छा लगा होगा. तो दैट इज़ वहाँ से निकल गया. नॉर्मली मैंने बात किया उन लोगों से, तो कहाँ से, सब गुवाहाटी से बिलोंग करते हैं, तो वहाँ से निकल गया. अभी घर जा रहे हैं, तो ज़्यादा कुछ रोड में दिखाने को नहीं था. सीनिक व्यू की बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है, गर्मी है, तो रुक के बार वीडियो शूट करना भी पॉसिबल नहीं था. आज के लिए मैं शॉर्ट एंड सिंपल वीडियो रखूँगा. इतना था कि आज एंजॉय कीजिए, नेक्स्ट टाइम बड़ा राइड करेंगे, बड़ा एंजॉय करेंगे. टिल देन बाय बाय, साइनिंग ऑफ.